you do your Carlton?
Janelle, fix your face. Just come to see if you're alright. And from the looks of things, look like you find a dress.
Well, I try me, I go try me, I know to fit it.
Okay. Well, go on. Me wait.
Wait. Carlton, you find a place to me, you know? You never have to be here.
But I want to be here. Look, this is a special day for you. So I want to make sure send the relieve as much stress off you as possible. So, but they are support. See you there by yourself. Not even a little sis-string with you.
Everybody busy. So you try to say, I'm not a friend?
Why are you so defensive? Come, go and go try the dress. I'm anxious.
Miss Charmian, you can lock the door behind, please. Okay.
You look good. That's it. You look really good. You happy?
You're done? You could take it, get it pressed. Take it to the cleaner and get it pressed. And you have to do a contract, alright?
Okay.
So, his name is to go in it.
I'm taking care of it.
What's your name, sir?
Carlton Wallace.
And what's the date of the wedding?
The 6th of the 5th, 2023.
Is $20,000.
Okay. You want it in US or Jamaica?
Jamaican will do, sir. Thank you. All right. So I'm gonna sign my name,
Okay.
and I'm asking you to just sign right here and date it, sir.
I have to read it first. Can't
Oh,
get in trouble with
sure.
not reading things
Sure.
and sign it already.
Sure. And if the dress is bought back in a good condition, we'll refund you $2,000.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you. What happened now? Okay. What happened now? Why the long face?
Me nah get king.
Okay. Who is king?
King I like my father, and him basically raised me.
Oh. and I him supposed to walk you down the aisle.
Duh.
Well, I mean, my suit look good, and I am somewhat of a father figure.
We are
Me-
tricycle time.
Me can do it for you. But serious, if King now available, I'll step in and be the substitute father.
Well, me give you an invitation already, so.
Alright, good. So, make a practice. Come on, man.
Okay. You get the dress, get your bouquet, and the tiara, the veil. Alright? And your necklace. Thank you. All the best.
Come on, cheer up, man. So happy event.
Alright, we're gonna reach this.